Hello everyone! So today is an update day and I'm doing a video, and guess what? This little guy is here. That's right, Cougars are here today. The Cougars are here today. I'm sorry. Okay, I don't want to see anything. I'm covering up the screen with my hand. Okay. Go straight to my den. Okay, and so I already did the basic daily spin for today, and it's like really laggy. Why is it so laggy? Yes, but as you see, here's a llama. I have a pet llama. Okay, whatever. Let's get ourselves a cougar, because that's the first page, and we're just going to go ahead and go straight into that. So, yeah. Oh, no. I'm yelling, timber, you better move. Where is it? Is it all the way at the top? I bet it's all the way at the top. Look at this face. Tell me this face is not cute, just like... I'm sorry, that's oversaturated. Let's go with little silly cougar. Little silly cougar. That's amazing. I love how I only had to change the name to little, and it's just like, it used to be legit silly cougar, but this is it, guys. Look at the face in the corner. Okay, let's see the animations. Okay, so dance. Alley cats! Oh, Molly! It's the Aristocats dance! It's the Aristocats dance! What does it look like when they sleep? Oh, that's cute. Oh. Okay, close that, please. Okay, there. Let us dress this thing up. What color is this? Okay, okay. Thinking fedora. No. Let's do dark gray. Screw that, and then what color? Let's go with, I want to go with kind of natural colors, but then dress them in really cute outfits. Like, that's cute. That's cute. There's the eyes that I like. Oh, there they are. Oh, that's so cute! But hilarious at the same time. I'm gonna give it blue eyes. Deep blue eyes. The blue eyes. Let's look at all the patterns. Oh, that's cute. Aw. That's cute. I'm sorry. I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna make it like that lighter. That, yeah. Okay. What does a scarf look like? Oh, I like that. What are the high tops? Oh, that's cute. What are the spikes? That's amazing. What do the aviator hats look like? I need that. I'm going to make this cougar match the hat. I'm going to make the pattern like this. I'm going to make the eyes like this so that it matches, yeah, the goggles. Okay. Now that I got on the aviator helmet, let's put on this. Yes, this. One thing I want to see, though. That is hilarious. Aviator hat. That, yes. That is amazing. How do they walk? I can't see because it's so laggy. Why is it so laggy? Probably shouldn't have started this while I'm recording, but whatever. Let's go through the rest of the news quickly. Okay. Geckos. There are new geckos. I don't have enough diamonds to get a gecko, but I will in the next episode. Well, I'll get, or video or whatever. Spring Cottage. I'll get that when I get enough money as well. 1 diamond per day. 1,000 items. Yeah. Den music. More den music. Wait. There was a... Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't even have that much den music. Okay. Mini book. Yay, cheetahs. I'll be able to get a cheetah because I got a membership after the cheetahs left. Okay, so that's ad. Okay. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.